Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are keeping safe. In today's video, sharing with you all an affordable home from Strata. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. Now coming to the location, it's located in Leeds, very near to the Leeds city center. Let's go with the floor plans. In the ground floor, we have a kitchen with dining, living room and a washroom. On the first floor, we have 3 bedrooms with 1 master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a small hall in front of you with different partitions made towards your kitchen and dining and also towards the living. So let's begin with the kitchen first. Here in the kitchen, you have all the facilities included in. You have the oven coming in and also the electric cooking, the exhaust, and there's a space for the dishwasher, washing machine, everything fitted in. The space is quite okay. You have kitchen towards one side with all these extra fittings. There is space for the refrigerator given here. And the dining space comes towards the other side. Now moving towards the other rooms. As you come out of the kitchen and move towards the living area, in between there's a small storeroom. This is the space under the staircase which is converted into storeroom. Moving towards the living area. It's a beautiful and spacious living room with plenty of light. You have the garden access here through these French doors. 2 to 3 sofa sets or a corner sofa like this can fit in, and there's plenty of room space to walk around. When you close the door, you can actually feel the length of it. It's a good sized room. Even towards the other side where the TV and the stand is kept, there is very good space. There's a beautiful garden at the back, but at the moment we are not supposed to access it. It's closed. But you have very good space with fence around it. This is all about the living room. Let's move to the other rooms of the house. Now before moving to the upstairs, let's check out the washroom in the ground floor. There's a washroom coming towards your left side as you enter the house. You have the water closet, sink, and there's decent space inside it. Now moving towards the first floor. Here on first floor we have 3 bedrooms with 1 master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common bathroom. So let's begin with the master bedroom first. The space looks okay. A double cot fits in and you can walk around. They've given inbuilt cupboards towards the other side, and if you look at the room, the space is actually given in length. And towards the front side you have the ensuite. So let's check out the bathroom here. It's a fully tiled bathroom. You have a water closet, sink, and there's a walk-in shower. And there's also a window coming towards the other side. So very good light and air movement here. Now let's check out the wardrobes here. This is completely optional. It's not included in the property. If you want, you can go for one of these kind of shelves here, or you can ask them to fix it in some other rooms so that you'll get some extra space in the bedroom. Now as you come out of this master bedroom, just beside it you'll find the family bathroom. This has got a decent space. It's again a fully tiled bathroom. You have the bathtub, sink, and there's a water closet. Now just beside this family bathroom, you have the second bedroom of the house coming in. So this has got a good space again. A double cot fits in and you can walk around. Towards one side there's a window, so plenty of light in the room. And towards the other side they gave these wardrobes. Just check out the height of these rooms. It's very good. Overall a decent room. You can use it as a kids room or guest room, anything you want to. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. This is the smallest room in the house. A small cot fits in and there is enough space to walk around. This can be used as a kids room, computer room, storeroom, anything you want to. There's a window coming in towards one side, so plenty of light and air movement even in this room. Overall, a decent property for decent price, especially which is very near to the city center. I hope you liked watching today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.